Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make, I have a box of lemon cake mix, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the lemon zest and the inside of the lemon into the cake mix, and I'm going to turn it into a lemon marble cake. So I'm gonna melt some chocolate and add to the mix. Oh, you're gonna love it. And the lemons, if you go on my channel and you look up the video how to process lemons and the benefits of lemons, you'll see how I do that. But basically I process them in the food processor, and then I put them in ice trays for whenever I need them. If I want to make lemonade or add it to a cake or another meal, I have it already ready. Okay? Alright, so let's get started on this, will we? Thank you. Let me adjust the camera. Hey guys, look what I got from the dollar store today for $1 for you to rest your spoons or your stirring utensil on. It's pretty good. Stainless steel, $1. Dollar Tree. Okay. Alright, so we got the lemon cake mix here. It says Lemon Supreme cake mix. It's moist. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see what it wants us to do. And it has a picture of a lemon on the box. Okay, it says made with real lemon juice. Alright. So we're going to go with 1 cup of water. I have a cup here. I'm going to fill that with water. And then it says 3 eggs. I have 3 eggs here. I'm going to break them out the shell. Oh, look. I can put my 2 eggs in here. How about that? That's cute. More than one purpose. Okay, 3 eggs. I got a shell there I got to get out. Get that shell out. Okay, I got the shell out. Okay, and I'm just going to beat the eggs. I always beat my eggs first before I add it to the mix, to make sure that it goes in evenly. Okay, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, I have a 1/3 cup measure here. That's 1/3 cup. Okay, so I'll be right back. I got to get my lemon that I told you about out, and I have to melt the chocolate. I'm going to be using Baker's chocolate. I'll be right back. Let me show you the chocolate first. So this is my Baker's chocolate, okay, and I'm just going to melt this so that it becomes liquefied, okay. Alright, and the lemon. I'll be right back. Before I put the lemon in the microwave, I just wanted to show you, these are the lemons that I processed and I have in the ice tray. So I just wanted to show you. So I'm going to pop it out and put it in a bowl to show you. There you go. See? So you can just take this, you put it in the microwave on a minute or less. You can make lemonade, you add your sugar to it, or you can mix it like I'm doing with the cake mix, or if you want to do lemon soup or whatever you want to do. How about that? All ready to go. Oh, check that video out, please. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to the microwave. Okay, so the lemon is out of the microwave. So this is the whole lemon. It's the inside of the lemon, the peeling, the juice, everything. Okay? Alright, so now I'm going to put this in my cake. I'm going to mix that up. Okay, so now let's check on our chocolate. Let's see if it's melted. Yeah, it's melted. So you can see a few minutes in the microwave and it's melted. Okay? So I'm just stirring it up to make sure that all of it is heated up equally. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make marble cake now. So this is, I put olive oil in my cake pan. This is a pan that I got from Roger, one of my subscribers. Thank you, Roger. Okay, it's coming in handy today. Okay, so now let me just mix the cake one more time on high. Okay, now I want to take some of the cake out so that I can add the chocolate to it, okay? It doesn't matter how much, so don't worry about that. So let me let you see. So I did about, what, 3/4 of this bowl. You see how deep the bowl is, right? Okay. So now you're going to add this chocolate right to that cake mix. Make sure that you can see. Someone asked me on my channel, I can't remember your name right now, to make a cake. So here's your cake, okay? One day I'll make you one from scratch. So once you add the chocolate, you want to just mix it in with the cake mix until it becomes all chocolate. Okay, it's almost there now. There we go. So let me let you see that. Okay, so it's now chocolate, as if it's chocolate cake, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna pour. I need my spatula that Roger sent me also. Thank you, Roger. Okay, so now we're gonna pour the cake mix, the lemon cake mix in the pan first. Alright, so you see the lemon cake, okay? Oh, it smells good too. Now you're going to just take tablespoons of chocolate and just dunk it here and there in different spots. Try to leave spaces of the yellow cake in between so that it comes out looking marble. Okay. Let me see. Got a spot over here. And you hear me hitting the bottom? You want to hit the bottom so that it goes all the way through, okay? Okay, one last one. Let me see. Ah! Running out of space. Okay. Right there. Alright. And let me let you see that. You see? Okay, so I'm going to bake this in the oven on 350, okay? Alright, in the regular oven. And we'll be back when it's done. Thank you. Okay guys, our lemon marble cake is out. Let me get a thumbnail. Look at that. Huh? Okay. And let me just slice it so that you can see what the marble is all about. If I can get it out of here. Look at that, guys. How about that, huh? So we're going to serve that with some whipped cream on the top. Just going to sit that right on the top there. And then I want to just drizzle some chocolate on top of that. And there we have it. How about that, huh? Chocolate lemon marble cake. Awesome, right? And let me get a thumbnail on that. Yes. Okay, guys, until next time, talk to you later. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Share the video. And remember, I'm trying to get to over 1 million subscribers and 1 million views on the fried cabbage. It's up to you guys, okay? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.